Hi, I'm Zach, and this is Challenger Vedic Astrology and Tarot. Welcome to the channel. So, today we're doing the May 2024 tarot reading for not Sagittarius, for Capricorn, Ascendant, Moon, and Sun sign. And if you like my videos, be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps out me and the channel. And to be notified whenever I put out a new video, be sure to hit the bell icon and select all. If you'd like a Vedic Sidereal birth chart, a personal tarot reading, or an astrology consultation, links to those will be in the description box and the comments below. Alright, so, Capricorn. These are your Vedic Sidereal placements, not your Western Tropical. I use your Vedic Sidereal transits to confirm your reading, so if you're using Western Tropical, your reading won't be accurate. But we're going to kick this off with your Kipper Oracle spread, and then we'll get into the Celtic Cross with the tarot. So Capricorn, let's see what's coming up for y'all for May. Let's see what we got. Okay. Michael's in the way. Alright. We have bad health, coffin, and main female. Okay, so looks like the end of some health issues when it comes to a woman in your life, or you are this woman. Could be the end of an unhealthy relationship if you were dealing with a woman, or you are a woman. Not sure yet. And we also have message, thoughts, and courthouse. So, looks like a message tied to a legal matter or to something official. Let's clarify and find out what's going on. Let's see, why bad health? Haystack, karma, you will reap what you have sown. And kite, vacation. Okay. So, hopefully you weren't on a vacation and got sick. I'm getting this more so as overcoming health issues. Taking a vacation from bad health. Let's see though. Why coffin? Yeah, teardrops, great personal sorrow, and success. Okay, so successfully overcoming an ending where there was a lot of sorrow. Why main female? Weeping willow, family sorrow, and love. Okay. So you've definitely been dealing with a difficult time. I do see that you're overcoming it though. Okay. So Saturn has been currently transiting in your second house of family. I'm getting that in particular with family, there's been difficulty. But Jupiter is about to move into your fourth house. Fourth house is home, mother. So, at least in your home, the people that live with you, with your mother in particular, things are going to be going better. Because Jupiter's a natural benefic. Also, yeah, for some of you, you could be traveling to a new home. Your 12th lord of foreign travels is going into the fourth house of home. That can even mean a long distance home. Okay. Wait. No, that's not right. No, Jupiter. Let's see. Capricorn. No, your 12th lord's moving into your 5th house. Okay. Okay. Yeah. No, sorry about that. Okay, Saturn's still in your second house. Jupiter's moving into your 5th house, actually. For those of you that have children, in particular a daughter, I do see there may have been health issues, but things are going to get better. Okay. Disregard what I said about moving to a new home. I don't see that happening. Okay. Why message? Dog. Close up. Pleasure with a close friend. And we have box. You will receive a gift. Okay. Why thoughts? Teapot. Deep friendship with someone of the same sex. And horseshoe. Good luck. Okay. I don't know why you're thinking about good luck with a same-sex friend, but let's see what courthouse has to show us. All right, throne, position of authority, and cracked cup, dissatisfaction with life. Okay, so some decisions being made here. And it seems like it's a gift. This is from somebody who is the same sex you are. Okay. Could be a position of authority that you're going to be in. Now, this could be romantic. Jupiter is moving into your 5th house of romance. Let's see. Yeah, Mars is also... Well, Mars is in your 4th house right now, but Sun is going to be in your 5th house of romance as well. So I'm getting that this is more romantic than an actual friendship. So for those that are same-sex attracted, you're being highlighted here. But let's look at your tarot and see what's going on there. For others of you, this could just be a friendship. Okay. Yeah, you do have, let's see, Rahu and Mars in your 3rd house. Now, 3rd house is tied to neighbors. It can be friends, but I usually take the 11th house to be more so friends. But 3rd house is communication. So definitely there could be communication coming in. Because Mars is energizing your 3rd house. Alright. But, let's see what's going on with your tarot. Once I'm done shuffling, we'll lay them out. And we'll go over it. Okay. Alright, Capricorn. So, overall energy, the Queen of Swords. Okay. So, Queen of Swords. This could be you, or somebody you're dealing with. This is somebody that's very intelligent, very logical, but also kind of cutting with their speech, possibly even their actions. Now, the heart of the matter, the King of Cups. Somebody that's very emotional, loving. It could be a lot of love here. The challenge is the Hermit. So, introspection, healing. Could be loneliness. Hermit can also represent that. Your focus, the Ace of Wands, a passionate new beginning. In the past, the Ace of Swords, a mental breakthrough, mental clarity. Possibly learn the truth about something. Or realize the truth. Now, your strength, the Three of Wands. Your strength is to wait for something. Okay. Your immediate future, the Six of Cups. A strong soul connection. This could be friends, this could be family, this could be romantic. But it's likely somebody that you've known a long time. Now, the supportive energy, the Hierophant. This could be commitment, this could be beliefs. Now, the hidden energy, the Ten of Wands. There's something that's very difficult here, and you're not seeing it. Your hopes and fears, the Emperor. Hoping for a position of authority. To rise up, be a manager, be a boss. you could be fearing it a bit too. Fearing being in control. Hopefully you're not fearing someone. And the potential outcome, the King of Wands. This is someone that's bold, passionate, confident. Could be you becoming more confident. Could be the person you're dealing with. Let's see. Let's clarify, find out. Alright, why this Queen of Swords? Okay, so either you or someone you're dealing with is avoiding coming forward with some emotional communication. Somebody's stressed out about doing that. Six of Wands, maybe afraid as to whether or not they'll have a victory. Okay. Why this King of Cups? Okay. Knight of Pentacles, Four of Cups, the Nine of Wands. Very disappointed in how slow things have been going. You're trying to persevere through it, but trying to ward off that disappointment, but it's been difficult. Looks like it's tied to something, tied to emotions with the Nine of Cups here. Why is the Hermit the challenge? Queen of Cups, Page of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, something changed between you and another person when it came to some action being taken here. Okay, it looks like it's a change for the better, towards happiness. Hermit can be a card of healing, so could be that you healed things between you and another person. Why are they so wands for your focus? Seven of Cups, the Devil, the Eight of Swords. You are very confused about taking action on something when it comes to having a new beginning. Okay. King of Pentacles could be financial, could just be someone you're dealing with. Okay. Not going to go into descriptions. We have too many court cards on the board. But why the Ace of Swords? They're in the past. Knight of Swords, King of Wands, the Five of Pentacles. Alright. So, this King of Wands is in the outcome. There was communication that ended in a break, a sense of loss. Okay. Why the Three of Wands? For your strength. Knight of Wands, Judgment, and the Chariot. Okay. Your strength is waiting to make a decision to take action and move forward. Three of Pentacles, working on something here. Now, Judgment can be a card of second chances. Revival. Judgment has dead people being woken up. So, could be that you are reconciling with a friend. Okay. And like I said, for some of you, this is more than friendship, especially for those who are same-sex attracted. Why the Six of Cups? Five of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, the King of Swords. All right. So there's a lot of conflict between you and this other person. Has something to do with your independence. Wanting to be free. I'm getting. Because we have the Nine of Pentacles here. Six of Cups is at the bottom of the deck, though. You still acknowledge this person. You still have a strong soul tie to this person. Could be, this person's attracted to you, but you're not attracted to them. Okay. But why the Hierophant in the supportive energy? Okay. Ten of Swords, the Seven of Wands, the Sun. Resisting a painful ending. Because you believe there can be happiness here. That things can be balanced, fair. That they can be made right. With Justice at the bottom of the deck. Okay. Why the Ten of Wands in the hidden energy? Okay. You're showing me this waiting for communication has been very difficult. But the difficulty is going to come to an end. When there's communication about this belief to, ward off this ending and have happiness together. Now, like I said, this can be friendship, this can be romantic. But I am getting it's with someone of the same sex for most of you. Why the Emperor? Knight of Cups, Hierophant, the Two of Wands. Okay. Yeah, definitely in time, I see this emotional offer about those beliefs happening. Could be commitment for those of you that are same-sex attracted. But this has taken a while. Also, there could be an age difference between you and this person. We have the Emperor to the King of Wands here at the end of the reading. And we have Temperance. This has definitely taken a while. This has been a prolonged situation. Alright, why the King of Wands for the potential outcome? Ten of Cups, Ace of Cups, King of Wands, or Queen of Wands, sorry. Lots of happiness and love in a relationship here. Like I said, either romantic or as friends. But Four of Pentacles, you both want to hold on to this. Okay. Alright, Capricorn. Let's add to this outcome. Queen of Cups, Knight of Wands, Five of Swords. Knight of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Okay, I know we saw the Knight of Pentacles before. Let me find him real quick. There we go. Alright. So, the Knight of Pentacles was clarifying the King of Cups. When it came to being disappointed with how long things were taking. Alright. Now, Queen of Cups is tied up to that change and healing things. That was the challenge. And then we have the Knight of Wands. That was tied up to that waiting for somebody to take action and for there to be a revival, a second chance here. But with the Five of Swords, there's self-deception here. You're deceiving yourself when it comes to this impatience for this reconciliation to happen. Just give it time. It'll happen when both you and this person are ready. But alright. That's what I have for you though, Capricorn. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Really helps out me and the channel. And to be notified whenever I put out a new video, be sure to hit the bell icon and select all. If you'd like a Vedic Sidereal birth chart, a personal tarot reading, or an astrology consultation, links to those will be in the description box and the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.